Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Call of Duty Black Ops 2 with a joystick on PC. First, connect your joystick to your computer using a USB cable. It's crucial to ensure a stable connection. Next, install any necessary drivers that came with your specific joystick model. These drivers help your PC recognize and communicate properly with the device. Finally, verify that your computer detects the joystick by checking your control panel or device manager. This initial setup is the foundation for a smooth gaming experience. Once your joystick is connected, you'll need third-party software to map its inputs. Programs like DS4 Windows or X360 are excellent choices for this. Download and install one of these applications, then launch it to create a new profile specifically for Call of Duty Black Ops 2. Within this profile, carefully map each button and analog stick on your joystick to the corresponding keyboard and mouse actions. This step translates your joystick movements into commands the game understands. With your mapping software configured, launch Call of Duty Black Ops 2. Navigate to the game's options menu, usually found under Settings or Controls. It's important to look for any existing controller support and disable it, as it might conflict with your custom setup. Then, take the time to fine-tune in-game settings such as sensitivity for aiming, dead zones for your analog sticks, and your preferred button layouts. These adjustments will significantly enhance your gameplay experience. After setting everything up, the next crucial step is testing your configuration. Start a private match or a custom game within Call of Duty Black Ops 2 to thoroughly test all your joystick's functions. Pay close attention to how responsive your controls feel and make small, incremental adjustments to your mapping software or in-game settings as needed. If you encounter persistent issues, don't hesitate to consult online communities or forums for specific troubleshooting tips and solutions.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.